With Pfizer announcing promising results for its potential vaccine against coronavirus, governments across the world have already started lining up to get their hands on it. The US and the European Union are first in line and signing deals for 100 and 300 million doses each. Japan, meanwhile, has signed a deal for 200 million doses, while the United Kingdom has asked for 30 million. Israeli Prime Minister also tweeted that Israel is also working round the clock to get the vaccine. Meanwhile, India has shown interest in the vaccine, but no deal has been signed as yet to procure the same. Russia has said that 20 countries have pre-ordered 1 billion doses of its Sputnik V COVID-19 vaccine. Countries which have shown interest include India, the UAE, Saudi Arabia and other countries in West Asia. Meanwhile, the Pfizer CEO sold stock worth $5.6 million on the day of the vaccine's announcement. The company, however, said that the sale was part of a pre-arranged periodic divestment plan, while Pfizer shares rose 15% after news broke out about the promising results. CEO Birla sold 132,508 shares at $41.94 per share. Volunteers who were part of Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine trial, however, revealed later that the side effects of the vaccine gave them headaches. Other side effects experienced included fever, muscle aches, while some volunteers compared it to a severe hangover. However, more than 43,000 people from 6 countries have taken part in the trial. Pfizer and its partner BioNTech are expected to seek US authorization sometime this month. If granted, the companies estimate that they can roll out up to 50 million doses this year itself.
At the moment, in a close dialogue with regulators around the world, we are talking to the European Medicinal Agency, we are talking to the FDA, we are talking to Canadian Health, to the UK authorities, to the Chinese authorities, to Japanese authorities, and first authorizations or conditional approvals could happen in the United States or in Europe. But the earliest time point for starting supplying vaccine will most likely not before mid of December. And this mid of December will also not mean that the situation will dramatically change. So we have to expect that this will be really a difficult winter. It will become worse before it gets better. So we will feel the first reliefs in the starting with March, April next year, and ideally we would have a better controlled situation in mid of next year.
Co-presented by Skoda, simply clever.